Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by collecting pan drippings or use 2 tablespoons butter if none. Melt over medium heat. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons flour and cook while whisking until the roux becomes golden, about 1 to 2 minutes. Slowly whisk in 1 cup warm stock, chicken or beef, preventing lumps. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 3 to 5 minutes until thick. Season with salt and pepper, then taste and adjust. Strain if desired for smooth texture. Serve hot over meat or mashed potatoes. For an instant gravy without roux, dissolve 1 tablespoon cornstarch in 2 tablespoons cold water to form a slurry. Bring 1 cup hot stock or broth to a rolling boil in the pan, then slowly whisk in the slurry. Boiling activates thickening in about 30 to 60 seconds. Reduce to low and simmer 1 minute to remove any raw cornstarch taste. Finish by stirring in 1 teaspoon soy sauce or 1 tablespoon butter for richer flavor, and season with salt and pepper to taste. Enhance gravy by deglazing the roasting pan with 1/4 cup wine or 1/4 cup stock, scraping up brown bits for deep flavor. Stir in aromatics like 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce or 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard for savory complexity, and add fresh herbs or a pinch of thyme if desired. If too thin, thicken with a small slurry. If too thick, thin with up to 1/4 cup more stock. Cool quickly, refrigerate up to 3 days, or freeze portions for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.